Hello everyone, and welcome to Speak English with Iman, the podcast where learning English becomes inspiring, simple, and powerful. I'm Iman, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you are someone who wants to speak English fluently, sound more confident, and improve your pronunciation and reading skills, then this episode is just for you. Today we're going to talk about how to master English step by step, without pressure, without fear, and with lots of motivation. So, take a deep breath. Grab your notebook or maybe a cup of tea, and let's begin your journey toward confident English speaking. Hot Beverage Sparkles Seedling Part 1. The Mindset for Learning English. Before we talk about techniques, let's talk about your mindset. You see, English is not just a language, it's a skill. And every skill takes time, practice, and patience. The biggest mistake most learners make is comparing themselves to others. They see someone speaking fluently and think, I'll never be like that. But guess what? That person once felt exactly the same way. Fluency is not magic. It's built, slowly, through mistakes, practice, and consistency. If you speak and make mistakes, congratulations. It means you're learning. Every wrong word takes you closer to the right one. So from now on, don't be afraid to speak, even if your grammar isn't perfect. Because confidence comes before fluency, not after. Say it with me. Right finger, I am learning. I am improving. I am getting better every day. Now let's talk about speaking, the part everyone dreams of mastering. To speak fluently, you need two things, confidence and consistency. First, talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. I am making tea. I'm opening my notebook. I'm going to study English now. This builds fluency naturally. Second, shadow native speakers. That means listening to someone speak and repeating their words immediately, copying their tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. You can do this with YouTube videos, English podcasts, or movies. Third, record yourself. When you listen to your own voice, you'll notice small mistakes, and that's how you fix them. And finally, don't translate in your head. Think in English. Start small. Describe your surroundings, your feelings, or your plans, directly in English. Remember, fluency is not about speed, it's about clarity and connection. Speaking, the key to confidence. Let's talk about speaking, the part that scares many learners the most. Many people understand English perfectly but freeze when they have to speak. Why? Because they're afraid of judgment. They think, what if I say it wrong? What if people laugh? But here's the truth, nobody learns to speak perfectly by staying silent. You can't learn swimming by watching videos. You learn by jumping into the water. So speak, talk to yourself in English every day. When you wake up, describe your morning. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast. I'm getting ready for class. You can even talk to your mirror. Yes, your mirror can be your best English partner. Smile at yourself and speak like you're having a real conversation. The more you practice, the more natural your speech becomes. Also, record yourself speaking English. When you listen to your own voice, you'll start to notice what sounds clear and what needs improvement. It might feel strange at first, but it's one of the best ways to grow. And remember, don't chase perfection. Chase progress. You don't need a fancy accent, you need a clear and confident voice. Pronunciation. Speak clearly and beautifully. Now let's talk about pronunciation, the music of the English language. Pronunciation is not about sounding like an American or British person. It's about being understood easily and speaking smoothly. Start by listening carefully to native speakers. Listen to how they move their mouths, how their voice goes up and down, how they stress certain words. Then imitate them, like a singer learning a new song. Practice simple tongue twisters like, she sells seashells by the seashore, or red lorry, yellow lorry. These little exercises make your mouth flexible and improve clarity. Stand in front of a mirror and notice how your mouth moves when you say words like think, thank you. Your tongue touches the top of your teeth, that's how you create the th sound. Say words slowly at first. Focus on how they feel when you pronounce them. Then speed up naturally, clarity before speed. And please remember, your accent is part of your identity. You don't have to erase it. You just need to make your English clear, confident, and comfortable. Books reading, the secret to better English. Reading is one of the most powerful ways to improve your English speaking and pronunciation, yes, really. When you read, you learn how sentences flow. You notice how words connect, how grammar works naturally, and how rhythm feels. Start small. You don't need to read difficult books. Begin with short stories, English quotes, articles, or even song lyrics. And here's a great tip, read out loud. When you read out loud, your eyes, mouth, and brain work together. You practice speaking while reading, 2 skills in 1. Try this routine. Pick one paragraph. First, read it slowly and focus on understanding the meaning. Then read it again, but this time focus on pronunciation. Finally, read it a 3rd time with emotion, like a storyteller. You'll be surprised how quickly your fluency grows. Also, keep a small notebook for new words. Write the word, its meaning, and one example sentence. Then try to use that word in your own conversation within 24 hours. When you use a word, your brain remembers it longer. Alarm clock your daily English routine. Now let's build a simple daily routine that you can actually follow. You don't need 3 hours a day, you just need 20 minutes of real practice. Here's an example. Morning, read something aloud for 5 minutes. Afternoon, watch a short English video or podcast and repeat after the speaker. Evening, talk about your day in English, either to yourself or record your voice. That's it, just 20 minutes a day. But do it every day. Consistency is more powerful than long, irregular study sessions. 1 month from now, your voice will sound clearer. 3 months from now, you'll think in English automatically. 6 months from now, you'll look back and smile at how far you've come. Glowing star, the power of belief and patience. There will be days when you feel tired or stuck. You'll feel like your English isn't improving. But I promise, it is. Growth in language is quiet. It doesn't shout. It builds slowly, in small steps, like drops of water that eventually fill a bucket. Don't give up. Even when no one is watching, keep practicing. Even when you feel shy, keep speaking. Even when progress feels invisible, keep going. Because one day, someone will ask, how did you learn to speak English so beautifully? And you'll smile and say, I just never stopped practicing. Believe in yourself. You are capable of learning anything you set your heart on, including English. Growth in language is quiet. It doesn't shout. It builds slowly, in small steps, like drops of water that eventually fill a bucket. Don't give up. Even when no one is watching, keep practicing. Even when you feel shy, keep speaking. Even when progress feels invisible, keep going. Because one day, someone will ask, how did you learn to speak English so beautifully? And you'll smile and say, I just never stopped practicing. Believe in yourself. You are capable of learning anything you set your heart on, including English. Sparkling heart, final words. You are becoming fluent. Before we end today's episode, I want to remind you of something important. You are not just learning English, you are building confidence, discipline, and self-love. Every word you learn, every sentence you speak, every page you read, it all adds up. You're becoming stronger, wiser, and more expressive. So celebrate your journey. Smile when you speak English. Enjoy every small victory, because every small victory matters. Say to yourself right now, I'm proud of myself. I'm improving every day. My English is getting better. Thank you so much for listening to Speak English with Iman. If this episode inspired you, share it with your friends who are also learning English. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. Your voice matters, your words matter, and you matter. Subscribe our channel for daily update.